New York City has officially ended its $220 million lease agreement with the Roosevelt Hotel owned by Pakistan International Airlines. The decision comes amid criticism over taxpayer money being used to house asylum seekers. The historic hotel, which closed in 2020 due to financial losses, reopened in 2023 as a shelter for migrants sent from Texas. Mayor Eric Adams, under pressure from both the federal government and conservative critics, announced the facility's closure, citing a significant drop in migrant arrivals and the need to cut costs. At the peak, the Roosevelt Hotel housed tens of thousands of migrants with an estimated cost of $200 per night. The city migrant intake has now dropped from 4,000 per week in 2024 and 2023 to just 350, reducing the need for large-scale shelters. The hotel, serving as a key processing center for over 75% of incoming migrants, was initially leased in June 2023 for 3 years. However, with shifting policies and reduced arrivals, the agreement has now been terminated to save millions in taxpayers' funds.